Rushini tene maafitha a ruhonge rwa ERC manyitanire na maafitha a DCI marokire mwena wa Embakasi birigiceni-ini ya kuhurana na njama cia uthondeki wa maguta ma ngari na gas itakinyanirie ikiro.
We were able to get 3 sites. 2 sites were dealing with petroleum fuels and about 1,000 liters were confiscated. These are purely illegal petroleum sites which have not been licensed.
Borithi nĩ maikitie ngono ekuirwo mugwanja aria makorereirwo mihango-ini ino iria ikoretwo igitwarithio mategwiciria ugwati uria mareyanikira amu uyu ni wira ubatie kurutirwo kiganda-ini.
About 7 suspects have been arrested and they will be charged first of all with constructing petroleum facilities without a permit. That is as per section 86 of the Petroleum Act, and also operating a petroleum logistics facility without the requisite licenses.
Mitungi ino nayo ikorereirwo igikirwo gasi imwe kwa imwe kuma kirori-ini giki undu uria ni mugaru na watho itanacoka gutwarwo miena itiganite guku Nairobi kwendio.
We do not allow filling of cylinders directly from a road tanker. For you to be able to undertake such an operation, you need to come up with a fixed storage which will be assessed by our engineers.
Kuringana na ERC no meguthie na mbere gutabania birigiceni ta ici o nginya miena ya Mombasa na Eldoret niguo kuhukia kaimana biacara cia maguta na gas cia magendo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.